And hello folks, this is David, and today I may be bringing you a quick tutorial on how to get your Orbx Airports that have specific objectflow.dll files working in Prepar3d. Most of the Orbx Airports, when you use the migration tool, will work because Orbx has updated the main objectflow.dll with the newest libraries, so they will work. But some of the airports have individual objectflow.dlls, and those are not updated by the libraries. And so when you install those and you try to run them, you're going to get this message here. Alright, so you don't want to run these, because if you run them, then you'll get a crash. So if you try to run it, the whole application will crash out, and that's not a good thing. So what you have to do to fix this is come into your main folder here, your Prepar3d V3 folder, go to ftxau, Orbx Libraries, Scenery, and copy this file, objectflow p3d.dll. I just went ahead and put it out here on my desktop, that way I can pull it into my airport folders. So go ahead and back out, and for me, FTX North America. KBZN is one of the airports that's giving me trouble. Basically, it shows you all the airports in the messages, which ones are causing problems. And what you're looking for is this file, objectflow, whatever airport name.dll. What you're going to do is you're going to hit rename, and it'll select this part. So go ahead and hit copy. And I guess you could probably rename this .bak or delete it. In my case, because it's not working anyway, I just go ahead and delete it. Then I'll go ahead and drag this file in here, hit rename, paste in that, done. So we'll go ahead and see if it works now. I can't say that I've had any issues with the airports that I've actually got working with this process. So far I've got 11S Siku and KMRY Monterey working with this method. And I think basically it's just that the installers aren't, the Orbx library installers are just not targeting these files to update them. And let's see, KBZN is no longer listed as one of the airports that's causing an issue. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and try to go into the sim to KBZN, Bozeman, Montana. Go ahead and make it day so we can actually see what's going on. The only thing I have noticed is that sometimes some of the objects are kind of slow to load in, so when you'll first load it, nothing will be there, and it'll wait about 10 or so seconds and everything will come in just fine. You gotta love these Orbx regions. Even with an SSD, the load times are forever. It works. Bozeman, Montana is also working with this method, so, and everything looks like it should. Another airport I got working was Hella. I have it working Prepar3d version 3 as well. So as you can see, it works. There's no performance hit. Lock 31. So I can't see any reason not to do this if you want to get your airports working. You only use them in V3. Go ahead and call this method and get it working. See you in the skies, and have a good one.